Russian twist with a med ball or medicine ball toss. So for this, you're going to need a wall and you're going to need a medicine ball. And what we'll be doing is a Russian twist combining with a toss off the wall. Obviously, you can see this requires a lot of core strength. We're adding a rotational component. Awesome for a lot of those sports, particularly like golf. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have in a seated position. My feet are slightly elevated and my chest is too. So I'm going to tap here and toss and catch. Notice that when I'm rotating with my torso rather than throwing it with my arms. So you can see that one got a little bit dicey there. Requires a lot of balance, but that is a that is a Russian twist with med ball toss.